practicing gentle Tai Chi for just 30 minutes daily helps reduce belly fat, relieve back discomfort, and keep your body strong as you age. Now, step back comfortably, inhale to lift your arms and clap softly overhead, then exhale down to smoothly soothe your spine. Take a break. Next movement. Step back slowly and open your chest comfortably. Inhale to expand your arms wide and exhale to relax forward. This gently opens your lungs and helps burn belly fat while soothing your lower back. Take a break. Next movement. Keep your arms flat and gently twist your hips. Inhale as your hands move softly up and exhale smoothly down. This comfortably relieves back pain, targets stubborn belly fat, and enhances your balance. Take a break. Next movement. Slowly rotate your upper body, letting your arms swing softly to pat your shoulders. Inhale as you turn to one side and exhale to relax back. This gently soothes your spine and releases deep tension. Take a break. Next movement. Gently lift your knee and swing your arms, lowering your foot softly behind you. Inhale as you lift and exhale to step back comfortably. This smoothly burns belly fat and strengthens your core stability. Take a break. Next movement. Reach your arm over into a soft side stretch. Inhale deeply as you lift your hand and exhale to relax into the stretch comfortably. This gently relieves back pain and trims your waistline. Take a break. Next movement. Step into a comfortable lunge and slowly roll your arms forward. Inhale to draw the energy in and exhale to roll smoothly out. This effectively soothes your spine and activates abdominal fat burning. Take a break. Next movement. Step to the side comfortably and circle your arms softly. Inhale as you lift your arms up and exhale smoothly as they circle down. This gently relieves back pain and helps burn belly fat. Take a break. Next movement. Raise your arms comfortably and gently look up as they lower. Inhale deeply as you lift your hands and exhale softly to release. This beautifully soothes your spine and helps burn belly fat. Take a break. Next movement. Stand comfortably, inhale as you lift your arms up, and exhale as you slowly sink into a gentle squat. This smoothly burns belly fat and relieves lower back pain. Take a break. Next movement. Relax your shoulders and swing your arms comfortably. Inhale as one arm reaches up softly, and exhale as you smoothly alternate sides. This gently soothes your spine and trims belly fat. Take a break. Next movement. Gently twist your waist and push one arm up comfortably. Inhale as you reach softly toward the sky, and exhale to return smoothly. This efficiently burns belly fat and relieves back pain. Take a break. Next movement. Stand tall and comfortably lift your knee while swinging your arm softly. Inhale as the knee goes up gently, and exhale to lower it smoothly. This targets stubborn belly fat and soothes your spine. Take a break. Next movement. Stand comfortably and let your arms alternately draw a large circle from front to back. Inhale as you lift each arm softly, and exhale to lower it smoothly. This gently burns belly fat, boosts shoulder mobility, and relaxes your mind. Take a break. Next movement. Turn to the side and push forward gently, keeping your back leg straight. Inhale as you lift your energy up, and exhale to lower your stance into a comfortable lunge. This smoothly relieves back pain, strengthens your legs, and unlocks tight hips. Take a break. Next movement. Open your stance comfortably, lifting both arms high to the sides, then letting them fall softly. Inhale deeply as you lift your arms, and exhale smoothly as they lower. This beautifully burns belly fat, extends your spine, and expands your breath. Take a break. Next movement. Step into a comfortable lunge and slowly sink into a gentle squat. Inhale as you lift your chest softly and exhale to lower your hips smoothly. This comfortably soothes your spine, tones your lower body, and enhances your stability. Take a break. Next movement. Stand tall, gently lift your heels to go onto your toes, and swing your arms softly from top to bottom. Inhale to lift up comfortably, and exhale to drop smoothly. This gently burns belly fat, boosts whole body circulation, and strengthens your ankles. Take a break. Next movement. Comfortably extend one leg straight forward while softly swinging your arms down from above. Inhale as you lift your foot and arms gently, and exhale to release them smoothly. This effectively relieves back pain, stretches your hamstrings, and boosts your body coordination. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this gentle healing session, please subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay active and healthy.